Welcome back to the Brothers Barn. I'm James, and today I'm going to show you putting the mold together for building my game table. As you can see, kind of got the wood set out, ready to start cutting, and we needed to make this mold so we can epoxy the game table I'm building. If you haven't checked out the other couple videos I got posted on this, kind of show you me cutting it all out, and then another video of me doing my first epoxy pour. So make sure you guys check those out. The links are below. And today we're just going to cut all this out and get it ready for putting it all together. You can see the wood back there. That's the table. Yeah. So, all right, let's get started. So I already got my marks cut where I'm going to cut this. So got me a guide set up. I'm going to go ahead and cut this to what length I need, which is 77.5 inches. So let's get to cutting. Okay, so now I got the length cut to 77.5. Now I want to find out what my width is. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and start putting the table kind of on here so we can kind of make sure I got everything spaced out the way I want. So let's start putting the pieces on here. So you can kind of see what it's going to look like. That's going to be the table. At least one part of it. 27 3/4, sorry. Probably going to have, I don't know, a quarter on each side overhang, so I'll probably cut this table to 28 1/4. This. That's kind of the sneak peek. What I hope it will look like once we're done. Okay, we got the measurements down for the width, which is going to be 28 1/4. So I already got that measured out. We'll go ahead and cut this to 28 1/4. And again, got my guide right here, so make it a little bit easier. So I went ahead and got both my pieces cut out. I'm using it as a table right now. This is going to be the first one we're going to work on. So I'm going to clean it off. And I'm going to use some tape to tape off the whole area. And then we're going to put borders around it. So we're going to start using some basically boxing tape to put on top of this. So hopefully it works. See a lot of people using it. I don't know. We're going to find out though. So let's get the taping. So I'm going to start from one end and work my way down. Now look at that. Don't that look good? Yes. Doesn't it just look so pretty? The UPS store ain't got nothing on me. Now we're gonna start putting the edges on. So, got me a clamp. Go ahead and take this one up. Slap that baby. Next, get you a couple of drills. One for the pilot hole, and you drill the screws into this head. Got me the square also, just so I can make sure it's straight. Probably put 4, 5 screws in here. Blade's full. I'll see what it is. She's on. Now to the other side. Alright, we got the mold complete. Got all 4 sides on. So now we are going to put silicone all the way down through here and up here, just up here and there, just to make sure none of the epoxy leaks out. So I'm going to work on doing that, and I'll show you guys when I'm done what it looks like. Okay, I got silicone put on. I used black just to give it make it a little easier to see where I may or may not have gaps. So you can kind of see what it looks like. I'm gonna let this dry, and then we'll be ready for the pour. All right, you can see that I got done with the putting silicone around, and yeah, I used black. That's just mainly to help me see if there's any gaps or not. So I'm not saying you have to use black or white or clear or whatever, but I use black. I think it's better. If you got a suggestion or something different, make sure you leave it in the comments so I know. But I'm gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna actually be putting the computer desk together for the big pour. So if you guys haven't seen my other videos where I started cutting out the pieces for the wood, make sure you guys go check those out, because I'll have the links down there and below, and so you can kind of see the start to finish. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, because I will be posting once I get this pour going. Until next time, later everyone.